Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today is March what? It's March 24th. I kind of wanted to do like a part 2 on like my cleaning out my closet, making room, also because I'm moving in April and I just want to get rid of things that I'm not using or that I don't need anymore. So that's what today's video is kind of going to be about. But before we get into any of that, I do have a package. Today's video is sponsored. So today's video is sponsored by Tracy Dog. Tracy Dog is an adult website. They have sex toys, they have lingerie, adult products, anything that you could want, and use my coupon code. And yeah, they sent me a couple things that I want to show you. Okay, oops. So they sent me some lingerie, I think, and then they sent me this. I think this is like, I'm gonna assume this is like an adult product. I want to see what this is and if it's good quality. So I'm gonna open it. So this is like the tag from Tracy's Dog. It's like lingerie. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's like this gorgeous see-through bra with these purple flowers. That is so beautiful. And then it comes with this really cute like thong. It is a little bit frayed here, but that's okay. This is so cute. Okay, so the second package, I want to open it. This is so cute. It's this white, again, see-through floral bra. You can see like the roses. This is so cute. These are actually gorgeous and like something that I would totally buy for myself. And then it has like the thong again, which also, hello, which also has the roses. The last thing that they sent me is this toy. It has all these stickers and cards and warranty guarantees and all types of stuff. User manual. Thank you so much to Tracy's Dog for sponsoring this video. Check out the link in my description box below. Let me know what you guys think. And with that being said, let's just get into today's video, which is doing a part 2 of a spring clean out for my closet. Okay, so I would like to go through all of my pants and make room for maybe buying more and also getting rid of the ones that don't fit me. So that's what we're gonna do first. Let's do all of these first and we'll see where we are after that. Okay, so these are just these like sage green leggings that go all the way down, so I'll try them on. Okay, so they are high-waisted, which I like, and they do, I think, like flatter me. Next up are these blue jeans from whatever brand this is called, and then the bottoms of the jeans are flared, which makes them super cute, but I don't know how these are gonna fit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try them on. I can't get them past my thighs. Okay, next, these are Lululemon leggings, so already a good sign. They're also like super shiny and they go all the way down to the ankle, and I'll show you guys what they look like on. Okay, so once again, they're super high-waisted, which we love, and the back, it just looks really good. There's literally no transparency at all, which I love, and these are just like, I don't wear these. I haven't worn these in so long, which is crazy because they're like my favorite pair. Okay, next up we have these jeans from the Loft. They're a little bit ripped, which I think is cute, and they go all the way down. I also like the wash on them a lot. That's what the back looks like. I think that they're super flattering, and I also like that the back doesn't come out too much from my back, thank God. These are just super comfy pajama bottoms. These are actually my close friends, but I've just been wearing them because look how comfy and soft. Last, we have another pair of Lululemon leggings in this kind of teal, and they also go all the way to the ankle. I'll try them on, but they do look really stretched out and really linty. So I feel like they're cute, but let me know what you guys think, because I've worn these so much that they're not really tight. Like the waistband is like really loose, but maybe that's okay. It's not enough flaws to make me not like them, but you can see like how baggy they are in the front, so I'll probably keep them for like a bit longer. Okay, this is our new pile to go through. So the first thing would be these Juicy Couture sweatpants, but they're in a size large and the waist is so giant, but I'll show you guys what they look like on. Okay, so this is what they look like. Like I said, like the waistband is loose, like really loose, but I feel like maybe that's okay that it's so loose. I'm still probably gonna wear them because of the brand. Next is another pair from the Loft that go all the way down, this time with no rips. They're kind of flared at the bottom. Okay, so these are the jeans, which I think are so cute. And then the waistband is tight enough that it doesn't look loose in the back at all. And I love the flare. These are so flattering on me, these pants. Like, I would be a crazy person to not wear these. I love these. This is great. Okay, again, these, or I guess not again, these are from Talbots. They're like these olive green kind of pants, like dress pants, I guess, that go all the way to the ankle, and then the back kind of looks like this. I've kept these because I feel like they're kind of professional in a weird way. I'll try them on. I don't really know how to justify keeping them, so we'll just see what they look like. And then this is the back of the pants, which I think is very flattering. And I mean, I don't know, I kind of like them because I feel like I don't have pants like this that I could just wear. You know what I mean? Like with a shirt or something. Like, I don't know, I feel like these are cute. Let me know what you guys think, but I feel like these are good to have because I don't have like a lot of colored pants or pants that aren't like leggings or jeans, so that's why I feel like I should keep them. I don't know. Right, next up I have these pants, which I got from Urban Outfitters years ago that I literally never wear, and they are also flared at the bottom, and so I'm gonna show you what they look like because I don't know if I should keep them. Okay, so these are the pants. And I don't know, like I just don't know what I would wear them with, like what the top would be, because I do feel like they're cute. I feel like I like the color, and I feel like I like how they fit me. I feel like it's very flattering. And then of course the little flare, but I don't know what to wear it with. Like, the last thing is this, or not the last thing, but this is the skirt from Saks on 5th Avenue that I think is very cute. I'll try it on, but I love the studdedness. This is the brand. They are a little bit big on me now, but that's okay, that's okay. Let me show you what they look like. So this is what the skirt looks like. I do feel like it's really pretty. Again, like I love the studded details. This is the back of the skirt, which I also think is really cute, and I just can't wait to wear this, like when it's spring, when it's warmer, because I really love this skirt. Okay, new pile to go through. I want to start with these shorts by a children's brand. I wear these as biker shorts, and I'll show you how. Like, yeah, these might be for kids, but they're also for adults because they're so tight that you can kind of just get away with wearing these as shorts. That's what I do, at least. I think that the back is really cute and I like the length a lot, so I'm gonna keep these. Next we have these pants from IMG. These are the Ursa Pants, and they have all of these zippers, and you can actually take off the bottom half of the pants and make them biker shorts. These pants are so cute. Look. I love them. I feel like these are such good pants. Just have to unzip it like this. Ugh. And you can take it off. You see? Ouch. But honestly, like, I like them as the pants. The last thing are these jeans from Cotton On, and they're not ripped or anything. They're just kind of like wide legged, so I'll try them on, show you guys what they look like. Baggy on the top and the back, and also just like the whole leg is baggy, but I actually think that's really cute.